professional goals. After graduating from college, he will focus on having a good career as a graphic designer, using my creativity and good visual ideas. He will look for jobs in advertising agencies, design studios, or marketing companies, where I can use what I learned about branding, visual identity, magazine design, and multimedia content. When I start working, I will learn from my peers, improve my skill, and keep up with new trends in design, such as artificial intelligence and modern tools for creating websites or apps. If I keep learning and pushing myself, I will be able to reach important positions such as art director or creative leader. As when I have more experience, I will open my own design studio focusing on visual ideas that care for the environment, help the community, and have a positive impact. If successful, it will work with brands that support culture, creativity, and social change. As when I have several clients, it will give workshops and courses to share what I can know with new designers and support other creatives.